Hi class, this is Teacher Han and today I'm going to teach you how to add animation and transition to your PowerPoint presentation. Are you ready? Let's go! At the end of this lesson, you should be able to use the advanced features of Slide Presentation tool to add animation and transition to a presentation. Animation and transition are two powerful tools in Microsoft PowerPoint. They add life and beauty to the presentation. They can make your presentation engaging and look very professional. In this video, let's learn first the difference between animation and transition. Animation. Animation makes the objects on the slide move. The different types of animation are entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. Transition. Transition adds effects to the slide. It controls how your presentation moves from one slide to the next slide. The animation and slide transition pane is placed on the right side of the window. It shows the list of the animation and transitions of the slide or objects as you click them one by one. In adding animation, go to the slide and click on the content or text you want to apply. Next, click on the Animation tab and select the animation you want to use for the selected text or content. You can apply an animation for the entrance or exit of each of the content of your slide. An entrance animation determines the manner in which an object appears on a slide. For example, an object can move onto a slide. An emphasis animation does something to draw attention to an object. For example, the object can become larger. If you click Exit, an exit animation determines the manner in which an object leaves a slide. For example, an object can move off a slide. Once you have selected an animation, a number will appear beside your selected text or content. That is to show the order in which the animation will appear. Let's add more animation for you to see the numbers. As you can see, this object has number 2 on its left side. This means this object will appear on the screen next to the title. Let's try to add animation for the books. Since this is the third object that we have added in animation, it will mark here number 3. This means that this object will move after number 2. Now, let's try to play the presentation to see our animation. As you click enter or tap the space of your screen, the title and the objects will appear one by one. This is how the animation works. Now, let's talk about transition. Transitions control how your presentation moves from one slide to the next slide. Just click the Transitions tab and select the transition effect you want for each slide. Click on the drop-down menu to see more effects. As you can see, there is a variety of effects that you can choose here. After choosing your transition effect, you can move on to the next slide and click your desired transition effect. You can also indicate on how you want your slide transition to occur by selecting an option under the Advanced Slide heading. For example, the duration. You can change the number of duration of how long you would like your transition effect would take. Now, let us see the preview of our work. You can click Preview or Present to see how your transition and animation would look like. And now, this is the result. Don't forget to click Save so all your animation and transitions will be saved. Why don't you try adding animation and transition to your presentation? Surely, your audience would definitely love it. That's all for today. This is Teacher Han. Thank you for watching.